Hello everyone. Warm welcome back to my channel. Yaje here, excited to share with you another gardening video. Today's video has me so excited because I'm about to share with you another seed company that deals with culturally meaningful African diasporic seeds. Every time I go online here in the United States and I find someone doing the work to preserve seeds that have meaning, I get so excited. So this company is known as Sistah Seeds. The lady behind Sistah Seeds is called Amirah Mitchell. What she does is she makes seeds available, seeds of vegetables, seeds of herbs, seeds of grains that have cultural relevance to the African diaspora. So her mission is to regenerate some of these seeds that have meaning to us as Africans in the diaspora. And then at the same time, to maintain the traditions around those seeds, and then also uplift Black seed stories and empower aspiring Black seed stewards like myself. What is there not to love? What prompted me to buy this bunch of seeds, which I'm going to show you in a moment, is when I listened to a podcast. The name of the podcast is Seeds and Their People. So they tell the story of the seed and the people that these seeds have meaning to them. Okay, so I listened to this podcast, Seeds and Their People, and on this episode, Amirah Mitchell was on it, and she told the story of all of these seeds. And I went on her website and purchased a bunch of them. I'm hoping that you can support a sister out. Go check out her seeds and and buy the seeds. What did I get? I got different types of okra. Okra is another thing that I'm obsessed with growing. So I'll show you what I got, and we're gonna plant them today, okay? So if you're not subscribed to the channel, maybe you should subscribe, because I will sow the seeds today, and then I will be sure to share with you the journey of all of the seeds. All right, so this is Katoba Friedman okra that I bought. Okay, each seed pack is about $4. This is another type of okra, the Moody family okra. And then this is Sea Island red okra. Again, all of them have stories. And this is Amirah's favorite. This is the green striped cushaw squash. I am excited to try this, Amirah. I'll let you know how it goes. And then this is a white watermelon. This one has a nice story behind it. And then I also bought two types of peppers. Fish pepper. Fish pepper is all of our seeds are heirloom seeds, just so you know. And then I bought the chocolate scotch bonnet peppers. So I just wanted to tell you about Amirah's seed company, Sistah Seeds. If you're looking for culturally meaningful African diasporic seeds, check out her website as well. I'm going to put a link down below. You can check it out and then get some seeds. But let's go ahead and plant the seeds right now. All right, guys, I have my pots already prepared and labeled. Okay, what I have in here is potting mix. I did throw in a handful of warm castings. Warm castings. It's an organic fertilizer. Let me show you. That's my bag of warm castings. Okay, and I've already pre-moistened the soil. The seeds, I'm only going to plant 2. I'm gonna be planting my peppers using that double cup method, guys. So this other inner cup has a hole at the bottom, and this one has no hole. So when I water, it's gonna collect the water down there. Okay, and then because peppers are tiny, tiny seeds, guys, if your potting mix is rough and has chunks of stuff, you can just fish some of that out before you plant your peppers. So the chunks of wood don't obstruct germination. You can also put like seed starter mix on top, but this also works. Just fish out the big chunks of wood. All right, so this is our scotch bonnet pepper, maybe 4. And the last one, fish peppers. All right, guys, it's time to water very lightly. Guys, I'm gonna put a dome on top of it just to keep it moist so it doesn't dry out. Put this dome on top of it and set it somewhere and wait for it to do its thing.